Today we're featuring a 2015 Lexus RX350. It's got 51,000 miles on it. It's obsidian blue in color. All right, it's a Carfax one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the turn signals in the mirrors, and it is equipped with the sunroof. Driver's side looks good. Has the rear park assist, rear backup camera. It also has the front park assist as well. Okay, and we see just a couple places on the hood here, maybe some just little rock chips or something's got it right here on the hood. A couple little spots over here, but overall it's in really good shape. 2015, 51,000 miles on it. Let's take a look on the inside. Got the black and gray door panels, nice wood grain trim here, power locks, power windows, foldable mirrors, okay, power driver's seat for up to 3 drivers, gray leather seating, power driver's seat. The leather's in really good shape. All right, and it is equipped with the sunroof like I showed you earlier. There's a shot of it. It does come with the keyless entry key fob, and it does have air conditioned and heated seats. Passenger seat leather's in good shape. All right, no problems there. It does have an automatic transmission. All right, there's your radio, CD player, push button start, and then your display screen right here that'll show you the backup camera. Leather wood wheel with Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. And then over here we have the telescopic wheel, okay, then your power lift gate and your blind spot monitoring system. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 51,716 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your display screen here. All right, go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and it also lit up the climate control area here for you to see. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat leather's in great shape. Back seats do recline. Okay, but the leather back here is in great shape. Center console comes down. Cup holders there. A little storage console there. Let's go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Right. Let's check out that power lift gate. Simply press the button here. Lift gate goes up nice and smooth. Alright, carpet back here looks good. Does have the nice convenient netting back here. You got your spare wheel back there, and it comes with the sunshade here as well. But as you can see, plenty of room back there, and this net can easily come down. You just unhook it there, okay? But a ton of room back there. Simply press the button to activate the lift gate again. Let's check out your wheels and tires. Let's see, it's got 19-inch alloys. Alright, a brand new set of tires. I mean, that's as brand new as you can get. Plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Lexus RX350, 51,000 miles on it, Carfax one owner. It's in great shape, so come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.